So friends, if you have IDFC Bank's credit card and you don't remember the PIN, then in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can change card PIN using IDFC First Bank application. Also, it doesn't matter which IDFC credit card you're using, the process is going to be same. Now, before going ahead, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, the very first step you have to do is just simply open IDFC First Bank application in your mobile phone, and it doesn't matter which phone you're using. It can be an iPhone or an Android phone. The process is going to be same. Just enter the MPIN and complete the login process. Once the application is completely started, this is the kind of basic interface you will be able to see on your mobile screen. If you have your bank account in IDFC Bank, then you will be able to check out the saving account details over here. Now, as we want to change card PIN, there are two ways in this application. The easiest way is on the home page itself. If you are able to see credit card option over here below home option, then all you have to do is just select that particular option, swipe like this, and it will give you an option of set PIN. So tap on set PIN, and over here you will be able to set new PIN for your card without entering the old PIN. So this is the first way of doing that. Other way is, if you go to account section over here, in accounts you have to go to card section, and if you tap on this three dot option on your credit card, you get multiple option. Again over here you can see there is an option of set new PIN. So select set new PIN, and again it will take you to that previous page. So yeah, on this particular page you need to enter the new PIN 2 times and go to the next page. Now I have entered the new PIN 2 times. Select get OTP option. Now you will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number, so you have to enter the OTP over here and select this particular option. So I have entered the OTP. Let's tap on this arrow option. Let's tap on verify. Now you can see within few steps we have successfully changed the card PIN in IDFC First Bank application. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.